Okay, welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that has been shared is of our opinion and not an advice where to enter the market. Okay guys, so I'm going to teach you guys the concept of trading, okay, in a layman term. So I want you guys to imagine that the market is like a river flow, okay? It's like a river flow like this, okay? The market is like this. I'll try my very best to draw. Okay, so meaning when we look at the chart, okay, what we want to see is where actually is the river flowing, the main direction. So the main direction is up, right? So the main direction is up. So now we want to, at the very best, we want to follow the main direction. Okay, the main direction. Okay, so now where are we now? Okay, so now as you can see here, we are not following the main direction. Okay, there is a retracement, so we want to wait until when there is a confluence. Okay, meaning this is the main flow and this is the minor flow, okay, of the retracement. So once it starts to follow the main direction, that is where we want to enter. Okay, we want to enter at here. Then it starts to follows up. Then when it starts to retrace, then we have to be careful. And then when it starts to follow with the main trend, okay, the main trend, that is the uptrend, then we want to enter here, and then it starts to follow the main direction. Okay, so now I will show you guys in on the main chart. Okay, I hope this simple illustration can open up your mind. Okay, let's go to the main chart. Okay guys, so now we are at the main chart. Okay, so for our main direction or the river flow, okay, like just now I mentioned, the river flow, as you can see over here at H4, it is going up, right? So it's going up. So now we know that this is the main direction. Next, what we want to see is we want to have a lower time frame. Okay, what is the lower time frame telling us? Okay, you can use H1, M30, to look for what is the flow doing. We want a confluence between H1 and H4. So over here we see that it starts to goes down over here. Okay, and then what we are looking for is we are looking for an area of support. Okay, so there is so many theory of area of support, so why not use a system whereby it make easy. Okay, we have our floor and ceiling, we have this EB support and resistance. Okay, so over here, and then suddenly it detects that there's a support over here, and then the arrow also telling you there's a support, and then there is a support. So there is 3 support holding over here, so potentially this support will hold. Okay, and we have an arrow over here, so the arrow can be a support, and at the same time also is telling us that there's a potential entry. So once there's an arrow, candlestick close above these 2 lines. Okay, now backflow and trend is also in blue, telling us that there is volume, momentum. Okay, they calculate the volume and momentum. So we are saying that, okay, after this candle have closed, okay, candle have closed, so the next candle we want to look for a buy, right? Look for a buy. So now the flow of the main direction and the flow of a minor direction confluence, or it become together. Okay, it follows together or synchronize. So we can just enter by right at H1, but we want to have a much more precise entry because the stop loss can be huge. Okay, if you enter here, or stop loss below this candle, or even the arrow is about 460 pip, right? Not. So what we do is we wait over here. Okay, we wait at a lower time frame. Okay, for this exercise I will show at M15. Now for the advanced student, we will teach you to enter at M5 or even at M1. Okay, so now now we look over here. Okay, so meaning we have even an earlier entry over here. Okay, earlier entry. Okay, so meaning the 3 time frame H1, H4 and M15 all follows the main direction. Okay, and what we see over here, we see an evidence that there is a strong support. There's so many support. That is the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, or the blue and red line crosses, candlestick close above all these. Okay, the 2 lines and the cloud. and there's an arrow. So what we do is we enter over here and it went up to 230 pips. Okay, as you can see over here, we just take what is our target for the day, but for those who want to trail your stop, you can trail. Okay, for us, we have about 100 pips or slightly more. As you can see from here, we have been profited from the trade. So I hope you guys can see how actually it's important to determine direction in trading. Okay, after we determine the direction of the main trend, then we wait for the lower time frames to follow the higher time frame trend. Then we look for a precision entry at a lower time frame to have a tighter stop loss. Okay, I hope this short video are able to open up some ideas or in you, so that it can help you in your trading. So once again, I thank you for your support, and I hope you guys can like, share and subscribe to this video, so it gives a motivation to our team to do more video to help you guys. Once again, all the best in your trading, and bye bye.